The Bandai 250250 accessories are crafted by Bandai Co. Ltd., a reputable Japanese toy manufacturer known for its high-quality plastic model kits. These accessories are part of the Bandai Namco Entertainment brand, ensuring they meet the high standards expected from this well-known company. The Model 250250 boasts precise dimensions with an item height of 85 mm, length of 295 mm, and width of 295 mm. Weighing in at 265 grams, these accessories are lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for action figure enthusiasts. The Bandai 250250 accessories are a popular choice among collectors, reflecting their quality and the brand's strong reputation in the toy industry. These accessories fall under the toys and games category, specifically within toy figures and playsets and action figures, indicating their versatility and appeal.